Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create, delete, extend and reduce partitions on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create, delete, extend or reduce partitions on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Click on disk management. Here in disk management, look, I have a different hard disk 1, and now it's unallocated and not initialized. Now right click on the disk 1. First of all, you need to initialize this disk. Click on initialize disk, and here you will find two options, one MBR and another one GPT. You can choose any one as per your requirement. I am choosing GPT, and GPT is the new technology based on UEFI firmware, and MBR is the older technology based on legacy BIOS. I am checking GPT, click on OK, and device is initialized and now it's online. Now I'm going to create a partition from this unallocated hard disk. Right click on the unallocated hard disk and click on new simple volume. Click on next. Here you will find the simple volume size. You just mention your volume size here. I want to create it in 10 GB. That means 10,240 MB is the 10 GB. Now click on next. Now you can assign the drive letter from here, and by default, if it's selected, you can select any one from here. I'm not changing the default drive letter, and click on next. Here the file system format, choose the file system from here. By default, NTFS is selected in Windows 11. You can select FAT32 from here. I'm selecting NTFS as because NTFS is more suitable for all types of data storage, and allocation unit size by default is selected. You can change the allocation unit from here, and volume level. This is the name of the volume. I'm taking my ball, and perform quick format is selected here. Now click on next, and here you will find the summary of your settings. Then click on finish, and look, the 10 GB volume is created. Now go to File Explorer and click on this PC. This is my 10 GB volume. It's easy to create a volume. Close File Explorer. This is the easiest way to create volume. Now I'm going to show you how to extend a volume. I have some unallocated space. I want to add some space in my F drive, my volume. If you want to extend C drive, it will not cover in this video. You can go to my channel, IT System Admin, and you will find here a exclusive video. Fix can extend C drive with unallocated space in Windows 11. You can watch this video. Okay, now I am showing you how to extend my F drive with unallocated space from here. Right click on your volume, and you will find here extend volume. Click on extend volume, and then click on next. Here you will find the available unallocated space, and select the space which you want to extend. I am selecting 10 GB. That means 10 4240 MB. I'm extending 10 GB with the current space, and then click on next, and then click finish. And look, now my F drive, that means my vol, is 20 GB. It is extended with the unallocated space. This is the easiest way to extend a partition in Windows 11. Now I'm going to show you how to reduce a volume or reduce a partition in Windows 11. The same way, simple process, right click on the volume and click on shrink volume. Shrinking means reduce the size. Now I can shrink 17,357 MB, that means 17 GB. I am shrinking 4 GB from here. 4 GB, that means 4096 MB. Okay, now click on shrink. That means my volume current size is 20 GB and I am reducing 4 GB from here. That means I will find 16 GB. Okay, now I'm going to shrink. Click on shrink. And look, the volume is resized. Now it's 16 GB. This is the easiest process to reduce a volume in Windows 11 computer. Now I'm going to show you how to delete a partition in Windows 11. Very simple process. Just right click on your volume and here you will find delete volume. Please note, if you delete the volume, your data will be deleted permanently. So before delete the volume, you must back up your data first and then click on delete volume. And here the notification, back up any data you want to keep before deleting. Now click on yes and look, the volume is deleted and all space is now unallocated. This is the easiest way to create, delete, extend or reduce partitions in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.